Let's see the next topic, soluble and insoluble substances. When you add a solid in a liquid, the solid will either dissolve completely in the liquid or it will not dissolve at all. For example, if you add common salt in water, it will dissolve completely, but if you add sand in water, it will not dissolve and will settle down when you leave the water undisturbed. So, on the basis of the ability of a solid to dissolve in water or any liquid, we categorize solids as soluble and insoluble. Soluble aduga insoluble substance haibasi karino yengsi. Solid ama aikoina liquid ta hapa matamda solid asi liquid da completely dissolve tauba haibadi completely tumba natragana tumdaba yawi. Example oina hairabada aikoina isingda common salt haibadi aikoina sanariba tumasi hapa matamda aduga aikoina okaibada completely tummi loina bak tummi adubu isingda aikoina laingoi si hapaga otlaga di laingoi asi tumba ngamde aikoina ising si lengdabida matam khara thamba matamda laingoi adu isingdugi makhada phamdai aduna solid amana isingda natragana any liquid ta dissolve tauba ngambagi chang asi aikoina yenga matungda solid asi aikoina soluble natragana insoluble haina ani thukna thoktopiye. The substances which dissolve completely in water are called soluble substances, for example, salt, sugar, turmeric, etc. The substances which do not dissolve in water at all are called insoluble substances, for example, sand, stone, chalk powder, etc. Isingda completely tumbangamba substance sing asibu aikoina soluble substance haina khangnai. Example oina hairabada salt, sugar, turmeric asina chingbasing asi isingda aikoina hapa matamda aduga okaiba matamda completely tumbangamgani. Isingda tumbangamdaba substance sing asibu aikoina insoluble substance haini. Example oina hairabada sand, stone, chalk powder asina chingbasing asini. Makoi sing asi aikoina isingda hapaga otpa matamda tumbangamoi aduga matam ngaihaki matungda aikoina hapkriba sand, stone natragana chalk powder asi lengdabida thammagadi patra adugi makhada phamdharaga amu tarai. Let's see the next topic, purifying water. We drink water which we obtain from rivers, lakes, wells, hand pumps, etc. This water contains dust, germs, and other impurities. It should be purified before we use it for drinking and cooking. We can purify water at home in the following ways. Aikoina thaiba ising asi tureldagi, patdagi, guhadagi, hand pump asina chingbasingdagi aikoina thakpani. Masigi ising sing asi dust yawi, germs yawi, aduga atopa impurities kya marum yawi. Aduna ising sing asi aikoina thaktriŋaigi mamangda natragana aikoina cooking thong thaktriŋaigi mamangda purify tauba ma darkar le. Ising si aikoigi yumda matau karamna purify taugani haibasi aikoi yengsi. Some of the impurities present in water are insoluble in it. They can be removed by allowing the water to stay undisturbed for some time. The insoluble substances will settle at the bottom of the container. This process is called sedimentation. Now, the clear water is transferred to another container carefully so that the settled impurities are not disturbed. This process is called decantation. Decanted water may not be very clear and fit for our use. Isingda yauba impurities khara amadi isingduda tumbangamdaba yawi. Makoi sing asi isingdagi lauthoknaba honaba matamda ising adu aikoina matam khara lengdabida thammagadi lauthokpa ngamgani. Patra adugi makhada tumbangamdaba substance sing adu phamdharaga tarakani aduna masigi process asibu sedimentation haina khangni tumba ngamdaba substance sing asi phamdagraba matungda ising aruba phangani masigi ising aruba asi aikoina atopa patra amada yamna checkshinna amuk transfer tawrani hapani aikoina hapa matamda phamdagriba saruk asi lengdanaba honagani aduna masigi process asibu aikoina decantation haina khangne decanted water asi yamna luba oidaba yai aduga aikoina sijinabada fit oiro. We can also remove the insoluble impurities from water by filtering it through either a filter paper or a very fine muslin cloth. The impurities are left behind on the filter paper or on the cloth and clean filtered water is obtained. Ising da tumbang amdaba insoluble impurities sing asi aikoina filter paper gi mateng na natragana muslin cloth ki mateng na aikoina lauthokpa ngamgani impurities sing asi filter paper natragana cloth aduda pallaga lehorani aduga madudagi tarakpa ising adu aruba ising oina aikoina phangani. Let's see this figure. This is the process of sedimentation. Masigi process asi sedimentation ni haibadi ising da yauramba insoluble impurities sing asi aikoina ising si lengdana matam khara thammaba matungda insoluble impurities sing asi container sigi makha thangbada bottom da phamtharak pasini masibo aikoina sedimentation haina khangnai. Sedimentation si tawba loiraba matungda masigi patra asina masida leire masigi patra asina amuk atopa container amada tapna masigi phamdariba insoluble impurities asi lenghandabida tapna chithokpa asibu aikoina decantation haina khangna. Insoluble impurities asi aikoina funnel ama sijinaraga funnel si mathakta filter paper ama hapaga aikoina ajanba matamda insoluble impurities sing asi filter paper sida paaga lehaugani aduga ising asi aikoina filter tawbiyai masigi process asibu aikoina filtration haina khangnai. The best and safest method of water purification is boiling. We should boil water for at least 10 to 15 minutes to kill all the germs present in it. The boiled water should be stored in clean and covered vessels. Kwaidagi phaba aduga kwaidagi laiba water purification gi method hairagadi boiling ni akoina ising lumba asini akoina ising si yamdrabada minute 10 dagi 15 phauba ising asi boil tawhangadabani adu oiba taragadi ising da yauramba germs sing asi loina sigani. Boil tawraba lomthoba ising asi ananba aduga makhum khumba patra amada aikoina hapaga thammadabani. Germs present in water can also be killed by using chemicals like chlorine. It is nowadays easily available in the form of a tablet. Ising da yauba germs mahik sing asi chlorine gumba chemical sing asi sijinaraga irai laina hatpa ngami. Chlorine asi tablet ki form da market ta fangi. Let's see the bingo challenge. What can happen if we drink dirty water? Discuss in class. Karigumba amot pa ising si aikoina thaagadi kari tawgani haipani aduna karigumba amot pa ising asi aikoina thakhiba taragadi aikoi nagani. Let's see the recall with bingo. The point number 1 says anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Matter haibasi posak ama hekta oibiyai posak aduna karigumba mass lairaba haibadi arumba lairaba aduga jaga khara kallagadi madugumba posak adubu aikoina matter haina khangni. Matter exists in 3 states: solid, liquid and gas. Matter si state ahum da lai: solid, liquid, gas. Solid haragana mapangni, liquid haragana mahini aduga gases haragana nungsit. All matter is made of small particles called molecules. Molecules, in turn, are made of very small particles called atoms. Matter kudimaksi yamna pikpa particles na semi, masigi yamna pikpa particles asiboy ko na molecules na kangnay. Molecules ay basi amuk makatana yamna pikpa particles sing amuk siyamai madugi yamna pikpa particles asibo na ikuna atoms ay kangnay. The arrangement of molecules influence the properties of a substance. Substance amagi property asi molecule singdugi arrangement gi makapol. Mataw karam na molecule sing asi lay haibadi closely packed oibra, loosely packed oibra haibadi matungin na substance adugi property tay. The three states of matter are interchangeable. State ahum haibadi solid, liquid, gas makoy sing asi amadagi amada ontok onjin tauba loiniyay. Water exists as snow, water, and water vapor in nature. It can easily change its form. Water asi tongan-tongan ba makalda nature der pangi. Example oy na harabada snow, water, water vapor asigumba makal gi form da loy na pangi. Water gi form asi irailay na amadagi amada ontopangam. The solid which dissolves in a liquid is called solute. The liquid is termed as the solvent. The resulting liquid is called solution. The quality of being soluble is known as solubility. Liquid amada tummiba solid adubu akoina solute aina kangnay. Aduga liquid adubu na akoina solvent haina am kangnay. Solid to na liquid to da tummaba matungda madugi resulting liquid adubu na akoina solution haina kangnay. Solid aduna liquid to da kayam yam na tumbangami haibagi quality adubu na akoina solubility haina kangnay. A solid dissolves faster in water when the contents are stirred or when the temperature of water is increased. Ising da solid asi tumbagi chang asi karigumba ikoina happy ba posak adu ising duda ot lagadi natragana ising dugi temperature asi hengalagadi hena tuna tumbangam. The substances which dissolve completely in water are called soluble substances. The substances which do not dissolve in water are called insoluble substances. Ising da completely tumbangam ba substance adu boy kuna soluble substance kawi aduga ising da tumbangam da ba substance adu na kuna insoluble substance haina kangnay. The water we use for drinking and cooking should be purified because it contains impurities and germs. Aikoina thakna ba thong thakna ba ising asi aikoina sizinadringay gi mamangda hana purified tawba ma darkar lay maramdi ising aduda fattaba impurities mayamama mahikmatay mayamama yaw. Water can be purified by sedimentation and decantation, filtration, boiling, or by adding chemicals like chlorine to it. Ising si purify tong nabagidamakta aikoina sedimentation aduga decantation tawgani, filtration, boiling natragana chlorine thadaduna purify tawgangam. Here it comes the end of the chapter, chapter number 11, matter and water. Thank you.